Okay, so we are looking at problem 440. And if you wanted to pause the video here and just draw your diagram, it might be helpful for you to be able to understand what, as I go through the question. Okay, so Mary had to look up at a 60-degree angle to see her father's eyes whenever she was standing 15 inches away from him. And her eyes were 32 inches above the ground. So how high above the flat ground were her father's eyes? So we're basically looking for this total distance right here. Okay. Now, I already know a portion of that distance because Mary's eyes are 32 inches above the ground. So that's going to go here from the ground to that point. So if she's looking up at him at a 68-degree angle and she's standing 15 inches away from him on the ground, I can translate this same amount of inches up to my right triangle, so that now if I can determine the length right here, so I'm trying to draw this as straight as I can, if I can determine that distance there, then I can add 32 inches to that to give me the total. So since this is my 68-degree angle, and I notice that this side across from it here is my opposite side, and the 15 is my adjacent side, I'm going to use tangent to figure out this distance right here. We can label that x. Okay. So I'm going to do tan of 68 degrees. It's going to equal x divided by 15. So when I solve for x, it's going to equal 15 times the tangent of 68 degrees. Now, once I multiply that, we can get that answer. Let me go to my calculator. So I want to do 15 tangent 68 degrees. Oops. Oh boy, I'm so sorry. Hold on. 15 tan 68. Now before I hit enter, I want to go to mode and I want to make sure that my calculator is in degree. Okay, you can see right here, my cursor is in degree. If your radian is highlighted, you're going to have to go down. See, when I hit enter on radian, it moves it over to radian. But if I go back to degree and I hit enter, now I'm in degree mode. So I'm ready to figure out that x, which is 37.12. And then I'm going to add the 32 inches to that. So it's about 69.13 inches here. Okay. So this total distance now that I just found, which was the green one. Okay, the green, it was 32 plus the 15 tan 68 was what I did. Okay, that was my math. So that gave me, oops, a total of approximately 69.13 inches. Okay, hope that helped.